Alright guys, we're gonna start spraying this and we're gonna use some protection for our hands, for our face. It's very important. So we'll put some KN95 COVID masks. We'll put it to some good use. So I got these. These were the highly recommended ones. I got the Montana black. I got a red and a black because that's our colors. Just gotta shake the can well, and then we'll use the cap set, and we'll see. So we'll start with a medium. So they go from level 1 to 6 in terms of how thick the line is gonna be. I think we can use the medium, like a level 3. So let's see. Okay guys, so we kind of did it. The only challenge is we gotta clean up this, which is okay. This, I messed it up because when I tried the spray can, it actually sprayed a little too much and it smudged, so we're gonna have to clean that. But I think overall we got it pretty good. Pretty good. Guys, we did it. It was my first time doing graffiti, and I really took my chances, and I got this. I got it. Guys, I made it. Actually, now I'm thinking that I'm gonna turn this whole wall into a graffiti, and it should be connected with bikes, MotoGP, Valentino Rossi. I don't know. I mean, now Mark Marquez is with Ducati, so I like him too. I don't know. Like, give me suggestions. Tell me what we should do to make this wall look beautiful. I would love to put some of your thoughts also onto it and just test out new designs. Because look at that. It actually came pretty perfect. The goal was to have the Turn1 insignia come really sharp, which I got. And then I wanted Turn1 to be sort of a smudged, playful sort of logo. And I got it. And I just cleaned up the sides. I need to do a little bit more work on this. I want to give it a highlight, like, like a white thin highlight, which will make it pop. But we'll do that in a little bit. But I'm excited to have the bikes here and see how the wall looks behind the bikes, guys. This is pretty fantastic. I am so excited to see what Jojo and others have to say when VG and Jojo look at it and our friends look at it. This is so cool.